Alarm and alert. So for our alarm section, we're going to have some options for wired inputs on the back of the NVR itself. So the use case for this would be if you had a driveway sensor or a motion detector, you could wire it into the NVR and trigger something to happen when that device gets triggered. So you would need a physical third-party device to be wired in. You're able to specify which alarm input you're using, what scheduled days of the week it's running, and then what happens when that alarm actually gets triggered. Are we recording? Which channel are we recording it on? Can also, in turn, trigger another alarm output. So if you have a light, outdoor flood lamp that's getting triggered with some wires, you can trigger that as well from here. You can also issue the piezo buzzer on the NVR itself, send an email, or activate presets. All the standard things we would expect under normal motion detection. Alarm output, this is a pre-configuration for your alarm outputs. You're able to set if it's a normally open or normally closed type of relay. Manual alarm, once your input and output alarms are triggered, you're able to physically trigger them from here, activate and toggle them on and off for testing. Audio alarm duration, this is talking about the piezo buzzer on the NVR itself, the alarm warning. If that is active, we're able to tell it how many seconds it's active, so how long that's going to be. Doorbell call, that's not going to be applying to us at this point with some future products. Temperature alarm, similar, we have some upcoming products for that. And one key disarming, we're going to leave this as well. Now, alert. This is a particular system setting where you're able to tell a particular alarm to go off or something to happen based on a system error. So in our alert type, we have all of our available system-wide errors, such as IP conflict, network disconnected, disk offline, all things you may want to know about if they come up. Now we can select the error message that we want, and we can trigger an alarm output to fire off, have a buzzer beep on the NVR, or send an email, which could be useful if we had a disk go down. Just make sure you save before you leave that screen.